Hey everyone, and welcome back to Infor Learning. Before we dive into the today's session, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you, truly. Thank you for all the support, encouragement, and the positive feedbacks you have shared so far. It means a lot and keeps me motivated to bring you even more helpful and high quality content. And there is an exciting news for all of you that I'm currently working on launching exclusive one-on-one training session very soon. If you are interested in personalized support and deeper learning, stay tuned. I'll share all the details shortly. And now let's jump into the today's session. This is a highly requested topic. One of our awesome subscriber has reached out for asking a detailed explanation on importing and exporting concepts in Infor Learning. So today's by popular demand, that is exactly what we are going to cover step by step with some practical examples to help you understand how it all works. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm going to post regularly and cover all the required topics that you need to know about the Infor LN as a technical consultant point of view. Okay, and let's aim big on this video, help us to reach our next milestone. As I'm expecting 500 subscribers and 100 likes on this video. Your support helps me to grow the channel and reach more learners just like you. Okay, so all right, let's get start and explore how importing and exporting works in Infor Learning. So let me open my application. Okay, so first we are going to do importing part. Okay, importing, and then what we are next going to do means exporting. Importing is nothing but you are going to let's assume that you are going to take your friend's custom package and you are going to add in your system or you are in your application. That is what importing means. Okay, to do importing, you just need to go in the files and run program. Okay, here there is a standard session session code we have. Okay, that is for importing tt I sorry I IEX 1280M000. This one is for importing. Sorry, TTIEX 1280M and 000 M 000. So this is the uh sorry, by mistake I have opened the exporting. Okay, TTIEX 1285M000. So there is no difference between the importing and exporting. Okay, okay, let me explain you the concepts of importing. Okay, to do the importing part, first you need to specify the dump path. Okay, basically dump path means what? Means when you have taken the export. Okay, that that files are going to store in the rar. Okay, the properties of the files is going to store in rar type. Okay, that part you need to just you just need to specify the path, and then the system will automatically going to add all the package, tables, sessions, scripts, whatever you have added in that custom package, that is going to you are going to import in this new system or new application. Okay, that is what. Okay, now it is asking me to specify the path. Okay, I have some backups. Okay, let me just open D drive, and here I have some backups. Okay, so in this backups I'm taking this multiple purchase order, this multiple, okay, this package. Okay, and the package name starts from PO. Okay, for your clarification I'll just show you that in this application I don't have any package in the name of PO. Okay, I'll just close this for a moment and I'm going to open this application. Okay, and I'm going to show you I don't have any package as of now in the name of PO. Okay, we'll start from packages. Okay, no need of packages, maybe we can directly start from the tables also, but yeah, but see, let's see. Okay, here in packages we can directly check in the modules. Okay, yeah, let me just group PO tab 3. It is showing package code is not found. Okay, and in package VRs also I'm just checking, I'm just showing you tab. So here also package is not found. In directories also PO tab, so package code is not found. And in the package by package combinations, as of now you can see here, as of now total 29 packages is there. Okay, remember this thing. And also let's open the yeah, tables and domains. Okay, first we are going to see the domains. Okay, see, you can see clearly domains is also not found, and I'm going to check the tables. Sorry, this one is no needed. PO, and see, tables are also not found. Now I'm going to check. Sorry, just check the sessions. Okay, uh, like any sessions is there in the name of PO? No, so nothing is there. Okay, so now I'm going to add that PO package here. Uh, okay, first let me take the path of that package. Like here I'm taking the path. Okay, and you can see here these all are the exported files. Okay, and these are in the rar, the properties of the exported files in rar. Okay, you can see when rar. Okay, and let me open the application here. Sorry, TTIEX 1285 M000. This is a session code, and I'm just specifying the path for sequential dump, where we have the sequential dump. I'm just specifying the path, and here we have some options, like if by chance, if you have any file, like if you have any package in the name of PO, then what the system will do means, like that the system is going to override the existing package. Okay, I'm just aligning, like giving it as override the alignment. And if you want to delete the dump files after the completion, you can delete, but I don't want to delete that, so that's why I'm not going to tick this one. And now I'm just selecting the import part, so then the system is going to import all the files. Okay, before it so here you can see the importing part is completed now. Okay, but before going to see, I just wanted to tell that, like explain you the concepts again, what we have done till now. Importing. Okay, and the standard session code for importing is TTIEX 1285 M000. This one is a standard session code for importing. Okay, and what you have to do is, like after importing, check all the packages and all, like we have directories of software components and all, so you need to check all these things. Okay, and after checking, what you have to do is like this, these all are the steps. Okay, after importing, what you need to do is these all are the steps. Okay, yeah, these all are the steps. I'm just writing here for a better clarification. Okay, so after checking the packages and all, you just need to do pack in the package by package combination. You just need to add the custom package. Okay, okay, here you just need to add the custom imported package here. Okay, after adding, you can just check domains. Okay, these all are the steps. Okay, for importing. So as of now, our importing process is completed. Okay, so now I'm just going to see my packages in my application development, packages and modules. I'll just go to directly in the modules. Okay, here I'll just group pivot tab, so you can see here. Now, after importing, I got a new package in the application in the name of Pivo. I have already had that one earlier. Okay, that package I've just add imported here. Okay, but I'll just show you. I'm just changing everything here. Checking here, like in the directories of software components, also we have our Pivo package. Okay, the only thing is, so what we need to do means like this one is the standard package combinations. Okay, it's just like a library. If you want to know deeper about these things, okay, just check my previous videos. In that videos I have explained all things in deeply about these concepts. Okay, so here in this, you just assume it as a library. In this library, what we are going to do means like we are going to add our recent like the imported custom package here. Okay, just need to specify the VRC. Okay, I've added here successfully. So if you remember in my previous videos, whenever we add any package in the package by package combination, we need to do rebuild dd. Okay, rebuild dd is nothing but a rebuild data dictionary. Okay, what we are going to do means like it's just like a dictionary. Okay, what the system will do means like this, the system will going to segregate all the data, and it is going to reorganize everything. Okay, that's what the rebuild dd. If you want to know more deeper about this concept, please check my previous videos. Okay, there I have explained everything in detail about the specific topic of like package by what is mean by packages, what is mean by modules, what is mean by directories of software component, what is mean by VRC, why we need to do the VRC, and what is mean by this package by package combination. Okay, please check out the previous videos. Okay, you can see here I have added what these things. So let's wait for a moment of for completing this process. Okay, then I'll show you the next process. Okay, now you can see here what I have mentioned here, create the tables in the database, which means like after doing this package by package combinations, when you check in the domains and in the table definitions and in the sessions, your custom package is going to be there. But to start or to run the sessions, so to start or to run the session, you need to create these tables in the database. Then only you can able to start the session or run the session. Okay, or else if you not create the tables in the database, then you are going to face an issue like an error. The system is going to throw an error like cannot start the session. Okay, and I'm going to explain the concepts of creating the tables in the database in the coming videos. Okay, so for that I'm not going to for this thing I'm not like for this thing I'm not going to explain this concept no, because it is not a small topic, so it takes time. So let's see what okay. So normally package by package combination like takes usually a time, because the system what the system will do means like it reorganize everything, like all the packages from starting from the alphabetical orders. Okay, and after this importing process I'm going to show you the part of exporting also. Okay, how you can export your custom package, and you can take this as a backup and you can use this exporting part later whenever you want it. Okay, so that thing you can do, and whenever you wanted to like whenever you wanted to you have taken the backup and you want to import, then you need to follow the same procedure what just know what I have explained you here. Okay, so you can see here the process is completed and zero warnings. Okay, and if you have seen my previous videos, I always says that whenever you have done the rebuild ed or convert to a runtime, then you just need to do the logout and login. Okay, as of now I'm just logouting from the application and now again logging back. Okay, I'm just opening the domains. Okay, and see, you can see here we have domains. We have table definitions here. and we have sessions also. But what I've told you, to start the session, you just need to create the tables in the database. Then only this sessions is going to start. Then only this session is going to open or start. Okay. See, just now, if I start here, it throws me an error like cannot start this session. Okay. This is right. The reason because is you can see here. You can read that in BW messages we got an error like process 14 error like cannot read the session or object because we haven't created a table in the database, so that's why the system is not recognizing. Like in the front end, in the application level we have the table, but in the back end we don't have the table. So when you are opening the application is going to connect is trying to extract it's trying to extract with the database and trying to open, but in the database we don't have the table, so that's why it's throwing an error. Okay. This topic I'm going to explain in the coming videos, so stay tuned. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you the concepts of uh, exporting. Okay. Before explaining, let me share the steps required. Okay. Steps. So first thing we need to specify the standard session. Okay. For exporting, we have a standard session code that is TTIEX1280M000. This is the standard session code. Okay. Here we just need to specify the path. Okay. Okay. Whatever the path you specify, over that path all these files are going to store, or these files are going to store, or that are going to save, and these properties of the files are going to be in WinRAR. Okay. Okay. So in earlier what we have taken for we have taken a package P1 for importing. Now for exporting also I'll take a package PO only. Okay. Just now we have added here in the system. So I'm just opening the click on the files, run program here, TTIEX1285M000, sorry, 1280. No, uh, it's always been a confusion between me like importing and exporting code. Okay. Here, this is the exporting export data dictionary. This is the interface of that exporting path. Okay. Here you just need to specify the package which you are going to export. Okay. Along the package you need a VRC. Okay. Here I'm specifying the VRC. VRC is nothing but, in simple terms, it's just like a folder. Okay. Okay. And here you need to select like export based on the sessions only. Okay. And you need to select this only components of the package itself and error to printer. If in case while exporting, if you face any issues or any errors, then the system will going to print. Okay. And here you need to specify the path. Okay. So for specifying the path, I'm using this backup files only. Here in the backups I'm going to create a folder, new folder in the name of something called like Infor Learning. Okay. No, something called like PO, only PO. PO dump. So this is my new folder. Okay, I'm taking the path. I'm just copying the path. You can see clearly there is nothing here in this folder. This folder is completely empty as of now. Okay, I'm just closing here and specifying the path. And okay, now come to the component one. Here you can see we are going to like exports from all the sessions, reports related to the package, report sources, form sources, menus, scripts. We don't need the library sources. If you want, you can select this thing also, but for me, I believe that I don't need the library sources. Okay, and script sources. Okay, sorry, this one, and libraries. I don't need this library sources, functions, table definitions, domains. These all things that I'm going to export here. Okay, and in component 2 we are going to take include the messages, questions, business objects, subscription templates. If you have anything, okay, in that package, you can take the labels also, here the charts, the whatever the additional files. Okay, that thing you are going to take. Okay, and if you want something like SQL related queries also, you can take that thing. But for me, it is not required. Okay, I'm just explaining you how you can take the import and export part. Okay, so by clicking here, the exporting process will start. Okay, it depends, like the completion of exporting process barely depends upon the package. Okay, like in that package, how much of data you have, based on that the process will take. Okay, you can see here session with deploying will be deliver. So session PO PUR 001 starts from will be delivered. So you can see here in the down, export is completed. Okay, like okay, let me close this one and let's see in the file where we have specified. You can see here where we have specified in the pivot dumps. Okay now, so here we can see clearly we got the dump file here. So this was the today's topic. So uh, now let's move to the Q&A sessions. So if you have any questions about what we have covered, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer your questions and provide more insightfuls. Thank you for joining the today's session on Infor Learning. I hope you found this information useful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more content on Infor Learning and other ERP solutions. And also feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on the future topics. Okay, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.